Assalamualaikum and hi. So now we are going to look at how to solve this example 7 on thin lens. So this is the question on thin lenses. Okay, what we have here is a plano-convex lens, has a focal length of 20 centimeters. So given to us is a focal length f, and it is made of glass with refractive index of 1.5. So this is the refractive index of the material. And the question asks to find what is the radius of its curved surface. Okay, so soalan nak radius of the curved surface sahaja dekat sini. So for plano convex, what we have here is we have a flat surface and also a curved surface. This is our plano convex lens. Okay, so for plano convex, and the question asks to find the radius of the curved surface. So kita nak tahu radius of this surface sahaja. Alright. Okay, so the equation we have for thin lenses is we have 1 over f is equals to 1 over u plus 1 over v, and also we have 1 over f is equals to n material over n medium minus 1 multiply with 1 over r1 minus 1 over r2. So this is the two equation we have for thin lens. However, based on what the question has asked and given, we can use this second equation to find the radius of the curved surface. Okay, so kita akan guna Lensmaker equation here. Okay, so for Lensmaker equation, the value of f is given, and material is given, and medium adalah air dekat sini, as it is not mentioned in the question anything related to the medium, maka it is in the air. And then kita ada R1 dan juga R2, and one of these R is what the question asks. So for your plano convex, okay, so for the plano convex, okay, let's say the object is located in this point. So kita akan ada incident ray in front of the lens, and then refracted ray behind the lens. So this is the refracted ray. Okay, so the first surface that the object is going to encounter is the flat surface. Ini adalah first surface kita. And the second surface that the object is going to encounter ataupun incident ray akan encounter adalah permukaan yang dapat daripada bulatan ini. Okay, so for that, our R1 here, the conclusion yang kita boleh buat dekat sini, R1 from the first surface here, since it is flat, dia adalah infinity. R2 kita pula, iaitu radius daripada objek yang bulat ini, surface yang bulat ini adalah, this is my R. Okay, since my refracted ray and my R here are in the opposite side, than the refracting surface, maka R2 saya adalah negative. And the question asks what is this radius lah. Kita dah tahu dia mempunyai sign negative, tapi kita nak tahu apa value dia dekat sini. Okay, so now for us to substitute 1 over f, f is given in the question 20 cm. However, kita kena identify f kita adalah converging ataupun diverging. You have to identify this. Okay, for if it's a converging, f kita akan positive. If it's a diverging, f kita akan negative. Since the question gave us a plano convex jatuh dalam kategori converging lens. Therefore, our focal length here is a positive focal length. So kita akan ada 1 over positive 20 cm is equals to 1.50 minus 1. Okay, medium ni saya tak tulis because it is air. 1 over the first surface kita jumpa adalah the flat surface, so dia infinity, minus 1 over kita punya R2 adalah negative dekat sini, so negative R2. So this is what we are looking for. Sign ini kena masukkan. Okay, kita kena deduce dekat sini sudah, because this equation has to consider the sign convention. And then kamu pun tekanlah calculator kamu, you will end up with this one as 0.5 multiply with positive 1 over R2 1/20. 1 over 20 divide 0.5 1 right answer. So kita dapatlah radius of the curved surface dekat sini adalah 10 cm. Okay. Alright. Boleh jadi juga you have drawn your plano convex sebegini. This is also correct. Okay. So kalaulah plano convex kamu dilukis sebegini, kita akan ada first surface saya where my object is going to encounter, and second surface saya where my object is going to encounter. So this is my incident ray, incident tembus refracted ray, refracted ray. Okay, equation yang kita guna dekat sini adalah 1 over F is equals to N material over N medium minus 1 over R1 minus 1 over R2. Okay, so R1 iaitu permukaan pertama yang kita akan jumpa mempunyai bulatan sebegini. Alright, so the radius here is on this side. As we can see, refracted ray dan juga radius kita are on the same side from the surface, refracting surface kita. So, my R1 here automatically akan jadi positive, and my second surface here is a plane surface, therefore my R2 becomes infinity. And then to use this equation, F saya dekat sini, nak masukkan F, must consider the type of the lens. Plano convex positif, kita dah bincang juga tadi. 1 over 20, 1.5, 1.0 minus 1, 1 over R1 saya adalah positif R1 minus 1 over infinity. And then ini jadi 0, 1 over infinity ni jadi 0. So you will end up with 0.5, 1 over R1, 1 over 20. And then R1 kita akan sama dengan 10 cm. Okay, so yang penting the question asks for the radius of the curved surface. Ini curve, kalau lukis begini, ini curve. Alright, so both the method will still give you the same answer. It's just that you have to substitute the sign convention for your R dekat sini. Kena juga substitute the sign convention untuk R kamu. Alright.